Okay na? Oh. Hello, Daddy. Happy birthday. Luluto ako ng Chinese fried rice eh. Papadala ko to dyan sa Pilipinas. Wish ko sa inyo more good health and happiness. Sana mahanap nyo na yung babae na makakasama nyo habang buhay. Love you. Bye.
Daddy, happy 72nd birthday to you. I wish you were here to celebrate, but I know you're very happy in the Philippines right now. My wish for you is good health always. Happy ka lang lagi. No worries, no stress, because life is too short. It's your turn to live the life that you love. Thank you for always being there for me, for your unconditional love, your support, for never being madamot, especially sa mga anak mo, and to the whole family. We have so many memories together, good and bad, that I will always keep in my heart forever. We miss you so much, and we will see you very soon in September. We love you. We always got your back, and we are always here for you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mainit eh. Ito naman kasi. Tama na.
Happy birthday, Dad. Today I just want to remind you how much you mean to me. Thank you for always being there and for always including me in everything. No matter what, it may seem like a small thing to some people, but to me it means the world. You've always made me feel loved, important, and like I truly belong. And I'll never take that for granted. I appreciate everything you've done for me and all the love you've shown throughout my life. I hope you know how proud I am to call you my dad. My wish for you is good health, endless happiness, and many more birthdays filled with love and laughter. Thank you for being the amazing father that you are. I love you more than words can ever express. Happy birthday, Dad. May God continue to bless you today and always.
PS, sigurado ka ba wala na kaming ibang kapatid? Pwede naman namin hanapin mga kahulman namin. Love you, Day.
Happy birthday, Daddy ko. Salamat sa Panginoon sa panibagong taon para sa'yo. Sana lagi kang healthy at di ka nagkakasakit. Marami akong bagay na dapat pang ipagpasalamat sa'yo. Alam mo na hindi ako showing ng pagmamahal sa'yo ni Vanessa, pero alam mo na mahal ka namin ni Vane. Masaya ako, dahil di na kita nakikitang napapagod sa gabi. Umuuwi na nakabike sa kalagitnaan ng lamig, hindi ka na kumakain mag-isa. Di lang kami nagsasalita pero nasasaktan kami pag nakikita ka namin na ganun, kaya masayang-masaya ako kasi ito naman panahon na para enjoy mo sarili mo sa mga bagay na di mo nagawa noon, basta't lagi ka lang mag-iingat kahit san ka man magpunta. Time na din na wala ka nang intindihin sa amin. Huwag kang mag-alala sa amin ni Vane, kayang-kaya namin to, basic lang to. Maraming di nakakaalam kung paano ka maging tatay sa amin ni Vane. Kahit minsan wala ka ng pera, ibibigay mo pa rin sa amin kasi alam mo nararamdaman mo din na wala na kami, di na kailangan ng tanong-tanong. Binibigay mo agad at lagi mo din sinisigurado na okay kami lagi. Thank you sa buhay na binigay mo para sa amin, walang hanggang pasasalamat, Daddy ko. Ito lang din ang sasabihin ko sa'yo, mamatay man ako at mabuhay mang muli, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin kong Daddy. Mahal na mahal kita, Daddy ko. Happy birthday, Daddy. Mahal na mahal ka namin, salamat sa lahat ng suporta na binibigay mo sa amin at sa akin. Proud ako kasi ikaw ang tatay ko, salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo, Fafang. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayon, birthday mo de, deserve mo lahat ng kasiyahan na natatamasa mo ngayon, andito lang kami palagi para sa'yo, alam mo yan, Fafang. Salamat sa lahat, Daddy ko, basta andito kami ni Venus para sa'yo. You're the best father in the world. I miss you and I love you, Dade Koy.
Hi Lolo, happy birthday. Hope you're having fun in the Philippines back at home. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lolo. I love you.